What's up, everybody, man? I'm Andre, man, and today, man, we're gonna get at it. We're gonna get to this tie rod replacement. Check it out, though. We got tie rods, so we can go ahead and get out here, get them hands dirty like a real man. Before we get to it, thank you for coming to the channel. Smash the like, hit the subscribe, and enjoy the ride. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna start off by doing is taking the lug nuts off. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but you guys hear that? Shouldn't be able to turn it at all. As you see. Okay, we got the tie rod end off, and this is the next day because I couldn't get this bad boy off right here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Man, I beat this thing with this hammer right here. I beat the life out of it. No dice. So I went to a little parts store, got this piece right here, and this thing made it easy. I got it off in like 1 minute. Popped it right off. All right, so this is the old one. As you see, I could even move this thing with my thumb. It's that easy. Fresh tie rod in. We're not gonna worry about the inside one today because I tried, but I can't get it done. So we're all buttoned up, fastened in. Got the pin on there. We're good. Everything buttoned back up. No twists. Sturdy. That's about that. Driver's side. We're gonna just go ahead and blast through this all at once because it's like 2-something in the morning and I'm tired as hell, so I just want to get this done. So let's get it. All right, y'all, it's almost 4 o'clock in the morning, man. We finished up everything, car buttoned up, wheels back on, took it for a ride, baby ran good, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna keep y'all too long, man. I just wanna thank y'all for watching the video. Please do me that favor, man. Smash the like and hit the subscribe, man. Your boy been up to 4 o'clock banging this content out for y'all, man. Do that for me one time for the one time. And other than that, man, y'all have a good night. Thank you for watching the video. See y'all next time.